Good morning and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you, well, it's pretty much just one tip on staying productive. I always get asked how I'm able to stay focused and stay productive while working from home, and to be honest it was not easy at the start, and I did do a more detailed video a while back as well, but I just wanted to do a quick updated one, just a reminder that all you have to do is just one thing to stay productive, and that thing is to hold yourself accountable by making a to-do list. And this is like, it's pretty much my lifesaver, because if I did not make a to-do list every day, it would be so easy for me to just wake up when I want, get started whenever I want, and do whatever I want during the day. But the problem with that is that by the time it gets to 3 o'clock, you kind of have taken it really easy the whole way and the whole day up to 3, and then at 3 it's crazy and you're trying to do all the things that you were supposed to do. So instead what I do now is I write everything out. And my second point was to write everything out the day before. And by doing this, you are making sure that from the time that you wake up, you're being productive and you're doing everything that you were supposed to be doing that day, rather than spending half an hour to an hour planning out your day, working out what it is that you need to do, then prioritizing what you need to do. I have found personally that by planning my next day the night before has been a lot more helpful for me. So usually at around 8 o'clock when I'm sitting on the couch and watching TV or watching something, I get my diary out and I start planning for the next day. And this includes getting up early. I mean, I would be lying if I told you that I got up at 5:30 every day. I do not, but I am trying at the moment. Usually I try to get up when Aaron gets up. So this week, for example, he is getting up at 5:30, so I do try to get up with him, and it does make it easier when you're both getting up at the same time as well. So I would wake up 5:30 in my diary, and if I'm starting everything that I need to do from 5:30 in my diary, it means that if I want to sleep in till 7 or 8, I'm only making it harder on myself, because in my diary, for example, I would say wake up 5:30, 6 o'clock, treadmill for half an hour, then do toning exercises for half an hour, and then I would keep going and then do breakfast at 8 o'clock and work at 9 o'clock, and then blah blah blah, keep going all the way down. And if I miss one thing, then I am just delaying my whole day after that. So by writing time frames for everything, this is helpful as well. And also not just time target as in I will do this at 8 o'clock, but how long you want to dedicate per task as well. Another thing is I write down hustle in my diary. So if I want to dedicate a certain block of time to my work, I write hustle, and then from there I can be more specific. So in the morning I usually spend that time on social media, which is replying to my messages and then doing my morning posts and everything. So next to hustle I have those things, and then if I need to upload new items to the website, then maybe before lunch, in between breakfast and lunch, in that hustle spot, then I can write down that. So I think you need to be really specific as well. So not just writing down work or just something broad, like be really specific with what exactly it is that you want to do. And this has really helped me, because I think if I didn't do this, then I would kind of spend my day not really organized and just doing whatever, whereas this allows me to really focus on what needs to be done, and also to prioritize what needs to be done as well. And I think that is literally it. So that is my 2 tips, I guess. 1 tip is to write things down, and 2 is to do it the night before, because otherwise you're spending your morning organizing and then you're kind of being put off, and then I don't know. I find myself to be the most organized when I plan the night before, and that way I have my whole day set out. I know exactly what needs to be done on that day and at what time I will be doing what as well. So I do hope that you have found this helpful, and if you have any tips for me, maybe you're working from home, or you don't have to be working from home to be organized. You could be planning to do things after work, or you could be planning to do things within your work as well. Do let me know. Or if you have any questions or you want me to be more specific with something, please let me know as well. And just a reminder again, I am hosting a weekly giveaway, so if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe and like this video and comment down below with a love heart emoji, and you could be selected to win a free prize, which I will gift to you. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!